Good morning, Don Dutton here, part of the New Mexico Distance Education and Learning Technology team. It's a Sunday morning. I have my Chargers jersey on. That's for later. For right now, we're going to talk about Career Ready 101. And to do that, I'm going to share my screen with you over here. Looks like this. I hope you're looking at the Career Ready 101. This is keytrain.com, gets you to this screen. And we want to run Career Ready 101. Here, we click on that button, and you have your username and password. I have mine. Go ahead and do that. Fill that in. And you should open up to your administration screen, which has the sections on it involving Teach, Setup, Browser Portfolio, Calendar, Reports, Career Exploration, and Announcements. Obviously, the Teach function is where we start with a lot of things, but Setup is something we have to do before that. I want to show you how to set up things, a class, a student, etc. So we'll go to Setup, and it's pretty straightforward here. My instructors, as you are an administrator in this program, you have this first opportunity which instructors and students don't have, and that is an organization option. You click on that, and you can choose, after you create a class, here you can choose many things about the program. Does it require a pretest to get into the lessons? How many final quizzes can you take? Workplace skills. Must you complete a problem to go on? And a bunch of other things. Is it open enrollment? Things down here for teachers and instruction and other features. The default settings are all fine. You really don't have to do anything here, but after you get into it for a while, you can come back and work on this. To set up your program, you can go to My Instructors and add a new instructor. This, of course, on the instructor account says add new student. But here, actually, we can do the same thing well, we only have the options here to create administrators, or administrator just for reports, or an instructor. So here, this is just for creating another instructor. So you're going to need to create yourself an instructor account and then add students for your class from there. And that's what I've done. I'm going to log out of this one and log back in my instructor account name. You can see it's a tiny bit different. The setup looks different. It does not have the organizational option there. Here are your student accounts. Add new student is real simple. The instructions actually pass you, tell you what to do. If the name is a repeated name, it will tell you over here that you can't use that name, but you just put the name in. And the password can be 6 characters, but there's very few. It doesn't have to have an asterisk. It doesn't have to have a number. It doesn't have to have a capital. So my advice is keep it as simple as possible. All you have to do is those 3 things. You can put in this other information here for statistical purposes, for reporting. You may want to do some of that. And you submit it. Right here, you can add this student to your class. This is my default class here with this as this instructor. I can do that if I want to. So that's how to add a student. I'm going to close that and come back to here and tell you this is what we have for today. That is how to open up your account and add a student. We will continue more in the future. Go Chargers!